at least to remove all such discrepancies. So no such there might be some areas. So if name is already found in the and mapped with the SIR 2005, so those people, but in the cases where there is no discrepancy, they will not receive any notice. So out of 22,69,000, only 6,51,000 electors are going to receive the notices. And in case of the no mapping category, further I would like to stress, they have to produce at least one document as prescribed, list of the documents. Either it is their passport or school living certificate or ST certificate or the birth certificate, etc. If they are producing Aadhaar, then along with Aadhaar, one other supporting document also have to be provided. But in case of discrepancies, all the any supporting document will be sufficient. So they can provide necessary document at least in support of their claim. Like somebody's name is having mismatch, they can give the affidavit also, and other documents also where the correct name is there and it is like the present epic, somebody's name is same, but in the 2005 there was some spelling mismatch. So they can at least produce their current document also, and just to prove that this is the same person. So our entire motto is there not to exclude but to include, but based on the merit. So during the claim and objection period, all the matters will be examined. So moreover, if somebody is going to miss due to some reason, I would like to request at least they should intimate the election official, so the person should be aware due to that reason, so they can get another opportunity for the hearing as well. So but they have to, I request further, the people should try to attend the hearing on the date and time mentioned in the notice as much as possible. Otherwise they have to intimate so they can seek for the another date. But it should not be regular practice, but there might be certain situations. So in that case they have to intimate properly to the election official to get the another date of the hearing. So they have to cooperate with the ERO, AERO for verification of their electoral record, produce the required supporting document. So we further reiterate that no name appearing in the draft electoral roll will be deleted without due process. For any deletion, they have to complete the due process, and any very clear speaking order have to be mentioned by ERO or the issuance of notice will be there, and notices we are requested to the ERO, AEROs, wherever notice is being provided, then a receiving copy should also be provided, and opportunity for the hearing to be provided to all such cases. Each case shall be considered in accordance with the prescribed procedure before a decision is being taken. So